Just a quick one before we get into the video. I do have a website where I sell natural skincare and hair care. It's www.LusciousSkin&Hair.com. The link will be in the description box. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my mailing list just down the bottom of the homepage, or you can shop on my website. I have tons of natural skincare and hair care handmade right here in Ghana. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, I hope you guys are well. In this video, I'm going to show you a super effective, simple remedy for lightening your underarms. Before we get into it, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, a few tips to help make this solution a lot more permanent. If you're shaving, you may want to consider laser or waxing. Shaving definitely irritates your underarms and it increases the chances that it's going to be darker. And the other thing is, you need to make sure you're always shaving with some kind of conditioner or something to moisturize the area a little bit before you start using the razor up and down, okay? And then the other thing is, you need to try to use aluminum free deodorant as much as possible. Aluminum is part of what causes the darkness in the underarms. Unfortunately, a lot of the products on the market have aluminum in them. A lot of the natural alternatives don't work too well, especially if it's going to be really hot. So what I do is, when I'm at home and I don't have anywhere to go, I use a natural alternative. If I have to go out, then I'll use an aluminum one. So that minimizes the number of times that you use aluminum. Okay guys, this is what my underarms is looking like right now. It's not terrible. Alright guys, let's get started. So for our ingredients, we need milk powder, we need turmeric powder, and we need lime, okay? You can substitute the the milk powder for regular milk and it should work just fine, okay? That's the only thing that you can substitute in this recipe. So I'm basically going to combine the two powders, and I'm going to cut my lime into half, and I'm going to squeeze one half of the lime into the mixture. This works really effectively because turmeric, as you know, helps uneven skin tone. It really helps to brighten the skin. So does lime, and the lactic acid that's contained in milk helps to do the same for the skin, okay? Guys, this is a gradual process. It's not like an overnight thing, especially if your underarms are really dark. You need to do it consecutively for 5 days, and I can guarantee that you're going to see a significant change. I only did it for 2 days because my underarms are not too bad to start with, and even then you can see a significant change in my underarms. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. It really does help me out a lot. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss another upload from me. Okay guys, enjoy. So make sure it's thoroughly mixed, and then you need to make sure your underarms are clean. There's no deodorant or cream or moisturizer or anything like that on there. And then you're going to apply this mixture onto the skin, okay? You're going to leave it on to dry for about 20 minutes, and then you're going to wash it off, okay? So this is what it's looking like. Alright guys, day one done. This is what our underarms are looking like. Day two, we're going to apply the mixture again and see how we go. Here is what our underarms are looking like. Can you see a difference already? Alright, so we're gonna gently apply it. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys what my underarms are looking like, okay? Yes, we're back. I've just had a shower and washed my armpits, okay? Are we ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! Guys, I told you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this out, and yeah, I'm sure it will work tremendously for you. If it works for you, come back and leave it in the comment section below so new people that watch it know that it actually works. Alright guys, I will see you in my next one. Make sure you subscribe by clicking that red button. Take care. Bye.